Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Puff Pastry Tart with mushroom and bacon. This recipe is so easy. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. For those of you wondering why we don't make our own puff pastry, have you ever made puff pastry? Life is just too short. Okay, the first thing you do for this recipe is line an oven-proof tray with grease-proof paper and lay out your puff pastry sheet. Then lay on top of the puff pastry layers of the spinach, mushrooms, tomatoes and bacon pieces, leaving a nice border of puff pastry around the edge. Me personally, I think the wife left a bit too much puff pastry as a border, but considering she's in a strange mood because she's run out of chocolate, I thought I'll keep such opinions to myself. Saying that, I've got an idea. Darling, if we go to the pub after I finish narrating this video, we can pick some chocolate up on the way.
You'd do that for me? That's so kind.
You know I'd do anything for you. Result. I get a couple of pints, she gets a chocolate. Everyone's a winner. Anyway, when the layers are assembled on top of the puff pastry, it's time to add the cheese. Don't overdo the cheese, it'll turn everything soggy otherwise. And when this is done, it's off to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And there you have it, a puff pastry tart. Of course, you can use any toppings you like, whatever you see fit. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now. I still think that border of puff pastry is too wide.